Hi, my name's Sue and this is Sue Marie Pete. I love eating black rice and today I'm going to share with you how I make a salad. Often I just make things up with what I've got in the fridge, and it's kind of like what I'm going to share with you today. I've just grabbed out all the things from my fridge and my cupboard that I think will work really well in this salad. So let's get mixing. So a little tip. When I like eating black rice, or when I go to eat black rice, I often prepare it the day before, or in this case, I actually prepared it a few days ago, I forget when it was, and I popped it in the freezer. So I think I cooked 1 cup of black rice. So it's made 1 cup of raw rice, and it made about just over 3 cups of cooked rice. So I'm going to pop that, and it's all defrosted. So that's a really great way of having a quick lunch or dinner. So pop all that into my mixing bowl. And I had some lentils in the cupboard, in the fridge to use up. That's about 1 cup. And they're already like in the packet, ready to go. I've rinsed them. You can add chickpeas, white beans, black beans, or if you don't like legumes, you can add a little bit of cooked chicken, whatever you like. In here, I've got some edamame beans. I always have edamame beans in my freezer. So they've defrosted. I just pour some boiling water over them and drain them. That's 1/2 cup. A few months ago, I did fermented carrots and I forgot to share the result. So here's my fermented carrots, or 1 jar of them. They taste delicious. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of some fermented carrots. So it's like a pickled carrot that I've fermented naturally. And I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. I think there's about 1/2 cup. There's about 6 sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to throw those in. And I'm adding lemon juice in my dressing, and I've just got a little bit of the zest here, so I'm just going to add a little pinch of that. Oh, and baby spinach. I've got baby spinach here. I've got I've got 1 cup that I've kind of torn, and I've got some smaller pieces. So we're going to add that in, and we'll serve it with some more leaves. As I said, you can mix and match whatever you like. This is just a little inspiration video. So I'm going to toss all that together, and this will be ready for us to eat tonight. We go and play tennis, and then so afterwards it's great to have something that's quick and easy and ready to go. You don't have to prepare it. And I love the colours of the green and the black rice and the pops of red from the sun-dried tomatoes. One of my go-to salad dressings that I don't think I've ever shared with you is a lemon and mustard kind of dressing. So I've got a spare jar here. So what I do is I've got 1 whole lemon squeezed, fresh lemon. So pop that into the jar. It's one that I've probably been using off and on for about over 10 years. Back in Australia, I stumbled across a version of this. Teaspoon of French mustard. This is a Dijon mustard. If I run out of Dijon, I've also used seeded mustard in the past. The chilli sauce is to serve. Salt and pepper is optional. I'll just pop a little bit in. Maple syrup. This just balances out the acidicness of the lemon juice. So 1 tablespoon. That's to taste. You can leave it out. You can pop honey in. But I love the balance of the maple with the honey. Maple with the lemon juice. I can't talk today. And I forgot to get my olive oil out. So here's olive oil. Hello, olive oil. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons. And if olive oil isn't what you like using, if you like using a sesame seed oil or avocado oil, use that. All I do now is I shake it. And then I'll just pour it on. And that'll give it a really nice flavour. That's pretty much it. Let me just go in there and taste it. The flavours from the dressing will seep into the rice, and when we go to eat it in a few hours' time, it'll taste even better. That's delicious. You've got the zinginess of the lemon and the mustard and the crunchiness of the rice. But, and the pop from the edamame beans and the juiciness of the tomatoes, that's really good. I think I might need a little bit more lemon. I mean, not lemon, olive oil. Another dash. And for added zing, I'm just going to throw all of my lemon zest in. When I juiced my lemon, just before I started juicing, I thought, I don't want to throw the lemon zest away. Why don't I just use it and then I can add it into this? So that'll give it a nice citrusy zing. And if you've got pickled ginger, you can add that. So I'm going to show how I can display this. Just going to do a quick clean up and then I'll start preparing it for display. Not sure what's wrong with me today. I have been sick this week, so maybe I can blame that. I've just realized I didn't press film as I recorded my serving of my black rice salad. So what I did was, I've got this lovely white platter. I put some fresh spinach leaves on the base. I popped all the salad on top, and I've added some toasted sunflower seeds. I added some toasted sesame seeds, white ones and black ones. I drizzled a little bit of sriracha, and I also added some of my red pickled onions from a video that I did recently, and that's what it looked like. So I apologize for not showing you step by step, and let me just do a quick taste before I go, because I know you love seeing me eat. I did a taste before I served it, and just adding the crunch of the seeds and the zing of the pickled onions and the punchiness of the spicy red sauce, it just tastes even better. We're going to have this tonight later on. Thanks again once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, I'll pop links to how to cook black rice, how to make the pickled onions, and how to make the fermented carrots. Don't forget, click subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share it with a friend, and pop a comment below. I love getting your comments, and I'll see you next time. Hej då from Sweden.